Hello guys, it's Dale here, and in this video I would like to talk about the British pound and show you a strong support level that just formed on the British pound. So what you see before you, this is my day trading workspace, and those three charts, they are linked. They always show the same trading instrument. In this case, that's the British pound. The chart at the top is a 60-minute chart with weekly volume profiles that show volume distribution throughout the whole week, right there. The chart below it is a 30-minute chart. It's sort of a main chart that I use, and on this 30-minute chart I use flexible volume profile. It's volume profile which you can move around like this. And the last chart is also a 30-minute chart, and this chart shows daily volume profiles. Those profiles show volume distribution each day. Now, if you remember in yesterday's video which I sent you, I was talking about strong resistance on the British pound in here based on those volumes. But then there also formed a strong support, and in today's video I would like to talk about that support. It is based on a setup which I call the volume accumulation setup, and with this setup what you want to see is a rotation like in here from which strong trend activity starts, like this strong trend activity. So what I did, I used the flexible volume profile like this. I used it over the rotation area to see the volume distribution in here. You can see that there were massive volumes accumulated there. Heaviest volumes in this area were right there. And from there, from this rotation area, this strong activity started. And this strong activity tells us that those volumes were strong buyers, and those buyers were getting ready for this up move. They were accumulating their longs there, and then they pushed the price upwards. So this gives us an information that this is a significant place for strong buyers. This heavy volume zone begins in here at 1.3494, and those guys from this area should defend it. So when there's a pullback, then the strong buyers from this place should add some more to their long positions, and they should push the price upwards from there again. And this is what makes this a strong day trading support, right? So this is one trading setup. It's a volume-based setup called the volume accumulation setup. But there's also one more setup, and it's a VWAP setup. If you look at a VWAP, this is a VWAP, this yellow line, then the first deviations of a VWAP, those are the gray lines, this one and this one. Those tend to work as strong support and resistance zones, especially if they are combined with heavy volumes like in here. Now what you can notice in this situation is that our level, which is volume based, this support at 34.94, aligns with the first deviation of VWAP. Right? So this basically tells us that VWAP is showing a support in here. Volume profile is also showing support in here. So based on both those trading setups, volume-based setup and a VWAP trading setup, there is a support in here, right? Those two setups align, pointing to the same support. So that's what I like about this level. By the way, there's one more thing which I wanted to show you. Let me delete this profile, and you can notice that there actually was a nice reaction on the British pound on the same setup as I was showing you earlier. I mean this volume accumulation setup, right? Rotation followed by a trend. So the same thing, only reverse, was in here. There was a rotation where heavy volumes were accumulated. There was a trend. In this case, it was a downtrend. So in this case, what you do is you go short from there. This was the reaction, which was over 40 pips, 45 pips. So this is exactly what we want to see with this support. Right? Notice how similar those two scenarios are, only this one is a scenario for short and this one is a scenario for long. Alright? Both are volume accumulation setups. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about my trading setups and about trading with volume profile, then what I recommend is going to my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and the next best step is go to trading course and tools. So you click that, you scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is an educational pack that will teach you everything there is about trading with volume profile. And there is a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes a video course, it includes my day trading and swing trading levels that you'll be getting each day. It also includes volume profile indicators that I developed and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, it also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support team will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators. They'll load up my trading workspaces, they'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the Elite Pack, and that's also about this video. I hope you guys liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!